Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Lock Junkie here. Thank you so much for joining me. Today we've got this Cocraft aluminum 50mm padlock sitting in front of us there. Just trying to find my proper tensioner. That'll work. 40. Yeah, so I got this 50mm Cocraft aluminum padlock from LocksViking all the way in Norway. So I'm going to use top of the keyway, 40 thou. And then I'm going to use I'm going to use Jimmy today. I'm going to use medium flat hook. This guy's got some really nasty spools in it, and we need to see if we can set the rest with this. There we go. That one is actually a tricky little spoolish bastard, this guy is. But you know, slayed! That only took 3 minutes, but you know what? This guy is tricky, I can't lie. But I'm happy I got that on camera. And Lock Breaking Kid, that's for you, buddy. I seen that you had a Cocraft brass padlock. And I've never seen someone else with a Cocraft. I thought I was the only one. But yeah, that was a fun pick. Definitely tedious, a little bit of ping pong spoolish games. But yeah, that's all I got for you guys. Like, subscribe, share. Till next time, catch you later.